Hello children, welcome to the SST class. Today we will read about chapter 16. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 96. Chapter 16, some popular cities of India. So children, here in this chapter we will discuss about some big cities and popular and important city of our India. A city is called a big city not only for its population but the facilities, services and infrastructure of the place. These cities become so popular that people from different countries and states come to see their tourist attraction. First one, Bangalore. If we see carefully on the political map of India, Bangalore is the south part of our country. Bangalore was earlier known as Bangalore. Okay? It is the capital of Karnataka. It has become the third largest city of India. Because of its rapid growth, this city has so many beautiful trees and parks like Lal Bagh and Cuban Park. Bangalore has a pleasant winter and mild summer, which make a moderate climate throughout the year. The main languages spoken by the people of this city are Kannada and English. Bangalore is famous for its silk saris, rosewood and sandalwood items. This city is called the Silicon Valley of India. So, Silicon Valley of India is Bangalore. As it is the biggest software development center of our country. The other industries include the aircraft, textile, electronic goods and chemical industries. Places of tourist attraction are Tipu Sultan's Palace, Vidhana Sabha and the Government Museum. Major festivals celebrated in this city are Dasahara and Makar Sankranti. Bangalore Karagam is one of the oldest festivals celebrated in this city. Hyderabad, it is the fourth most populated city in India. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. So, the capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad. The climate of Hyderabad is hot in summers and cool in winters. The city is famous for its pearls jewelry, patola saris and vidari work. Hyderabadi biryani is a staple food. The main languages spoken by the people are Telugu, Urdu and English. The important tourist places are Charminar and Mecca Masjid. Other tourist attractions are Salarjung Museum, the Qutub Shahi Tomb, Birla Mandir and Hussain Sagar Lake with the huge statue of Buddha. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects the twin cities. The twin cities are Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The main festivals celebrated here are Pongal, Tyagaraja and Navaratri. Then Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the seventh largest city of India. It is the capital of Gujarat. It is locally called Ahmedabad. It is located along the banks of river Sabarmati. The Sabarmati ashram built by Gandhiji is situated in this city. The city has hot summers and cool winters. Ahmedabad is famous for its textile industry. People speak Gujarati, Hindi and English. The tourist attractions of this city are Akshardham Temple, Siddhi Basir Mosque, Kankadat Lake and Kite Museum. The major festivals celebrated by the people are Navratri, Diwali and Holi. Ras Garba and the folk dance is performed by the people during the Navratra festivals. Then Jaipur. Children, you know, Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Then Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. The old places of this city were built of pink stones, pink sandstone. So it is known as Pink City. It is one of India's first planned cities. Jaipur is known around the world for its handicrafts such as jewelry made out of precious and semi-precious stones. Jahari Bazaar is the main shopping center in Jaipur. People speak languages like Hindi, Rajasthani and English. Some people also speak Punjabi and Sindhi. The tourist attractions of this city are Hawa Mahal, Rambha Place, Jantar Mantar and Jal Mahal. The main festivals celebrated in Jaipur city are Teej, Gangaur Festival, Kite Festival and Elephants Festival. An international literature festival is also organized here annually. Children, here matching is given. You practice it at your home. Then Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is popularly known as the city of Nawabs. This city is situated on the bank of the river Gomti. Lucknow is worldwide famous for its chicken embroidery. People speak Hindi and Urdu languages. English is also spoken. Tourist places of Lucknow city are Residency, Imambara, Clock Tower, Rumi Darwaja and Sahib Smarak. The main festivals celebrated in Lucknow are Muharram, Holi, Diwali and Eid. Then Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is situated on the banks of river Ganga. Its old name was Pataliputra. The main languages spoken by the people are Hindi, Bhojpuri, Bihari, Maithili, Urdu and English. The main tourist attractions of this city are Raj Bhavan, Maharaja Palace, High Court, the museum and Patna Sahib Gurudwara. The main festivals of Patna city are Chhath, Diwali and Holi. Then Guwahati. Guwahati is the capital of Assam. It is situated on the bank of river Brahmaputra. Assam is famous for its tea and golden colored silk. The main languages spoken by the people of Guwahati are Assamese, Bangla and English. The main tourist attractions are the Kamakhya Temple, Forest Museum, the Assam State Museum and its planetarium. A place called Simanta Sankardev Kalakshetra. Simanta Sankardev Kalakshetra is also very famous. Guwahati is famous for its bamboo craft and woolen shawls. The main festivals are Durga Puja, Rangoli Utsav and Diwali. Bihu is one of the most widely celebrated festivals in Guwahati. Then Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is situated along the banks of two lakes, the upper lake and the lower lake. The main languages spoken by the people are Urdu, Hindi and English. The main industries of Bhopal are handicraft and jewellery. The special places of tourist attractions are Taj-ul Masjid, Jama Masjid, Van Bihar National Park and Bharat Bhavan. The major festivals of Bhopal are Diwali, Ramnavami and Navratri. Then children, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. It is a union territory and a planned city. Le Corbusier, the French artist, designed this city. India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru named Chandigarh the Dream City. This city is named after the goddess Chandi. A giant metallic sculpture of the open hand is the official emblem of the city. It has important government offices like the Secretariat, Legislative Assembly and the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. The main languages of this city are Punjabi, Hindi and English. The major festivals celebrated are Diwali, Holi and Guru Parab. The main tourist attractions of this city are Sukna Lake, Rose Garden and Rock Garden. The Rock Garden was created by Nek Chand in 1976. The Rose Garden has the maximum variety of roses and is the biggest garden in Asia. So children, this is about the popular cities and big cities of India. Again, you read this chapter at your home and learn the important sentence which are underlined. Okay? Thank you.